So we're at the shed now, and the luggages are all in there, and we're just waiting. Bill's leaving now. Guys, we're gonna do a snap pool, so Charlotte's gonna go first. My favourite. I have protein nut bars, cookie dough, let me scavenge, shakes, vegan gummies, sour squares, oh my god, and baked chips. Okay, I don't have that much. I've got these like So we're at the accommodation. Yeah, we're staying with the year 11s. We're going to give you a little tour. We've got our bunk beds here. Scarlet. And then is the bathroom. Oh, is there a fireplace? Anyways, that's like the kitchen area. It's like the living room kind of. This is like the other room that the year 11s are sleeping in. First cocker sighting. It looks, it made a bit of eye contact. Okay guys, we're all changing to hoodies now. We're going to show the fits. Charlotte's Scarlet. Cooking dinner.
Last night, everyone was like, "Oh, dinner, this way to play this." I asked you that. Oh, Wednesday, we're on the stuff.
Flip the camera. Flip the camera.
I got it.
Guys, we're at dinner now. I'm going to show you. So we've got schnitzel, potatoes, and salad. That's Scarlett. Say hi to the vlog.
What are you doing, Nora?
I'm vlogging.
Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today for dinner we have potato, and I just call it a bloody pong.
Hey guys, so what's the time? It's 11:11. It's 11:11, and we're waiting to sneak out at like 11:30ish. Oh, that's not very.
I don't mind that. This is a multi patch right here, so I'm not gonna get eaten.
I am. You should goodbye to me. I'm going to show you the break. We're sneaking out this door. Wait. Nora's like Katie skinny thing now, the rest of the time we're going pretty slow. Okay guys, we're back from skinny dipping. We only went for a little bit because it started raining. Yeah. And we're in our hoodies now. I'm not wearing any pants. We have to find where we went. We're finding our way back now. Good morning. We are heading off to breakfast now. Did everyone have a good sleep?
Yeah,
good.
I actually did.
Yeah. We're very confident.
Well, we didn't sit that many
Also
hours.
long enough.
Oh, I had a fine sleep.
Someone has an
Ideally,
alarm
I'd
that
sleep
goes
until
off
like
at 7.
9 or like 10, and then I'd go
It's
get
crazy
breakfast.
people. Yeah, sleeping until 10. Anyways, let's go eat breakfast. I stopped up on my breakfast, so I already started eating. But I put some yogurt on toast. Everyone's calling me weird putting yogurt on toast, but it's actually so good.
Yeah, peanut butter and butter.
And Charlotte's just preparing hers right now.
Butter is the best.
We just finished this like PMI thing. We were just discussing events from this year and stuff we're planning to do next year. and now we're having a little break and we're going back up to eat some food. And we're also baking some cookies right now, but there's only enough for 3 of us, so we gotta be quiet and not tell anyone.
So you like,
Hey guys, we just cycled to the
because there's a beach there, and then so we went all the way like across, but down there.
Okay. Thoughts on the bike ride?
It should have been longer and more fluid.
Scarlett, what are your thoughts on the bike ride?
I liked it. Shouldn't have been chopped up.
Yeah, I agree. What are your thoughts, Nadia?
Tiring, but good.
Yeah. Hey guys, it's lunchtime. So we've got this roll. I put beef, cheese, and salad on mine. Scarlett, and then Charlotte. We have finished lunch and now we're going to play volleyball. Kind of banana. Going to the beach now?
No, mine is the banana.
You like carrots?
So, back from the beach. So first we did some like team building games. We split into groups of 10 and my team won. Oh wait, Scarlett was in my team as well. And
Okay, so the rock. We tied.
she's just a bit salty about it. Anyways, after that we went for a swim. And now we're gonna go get some ice cream. Hey guys, there's a photo. Yes,
It always tricks me.
I was ready for it.
Burnt caramel to the settlement, and Scarlett has got burnt caramel.
I got
Cookies and cream. Look how generous they were.
I think your lady was more generous because I saw her scoop a big one for the other guys.
Yeah.
Our lady was nice though.
Oh, that's quite nice. Let's go try them. We're in the general store now. We're getting, oh, your boobs look good. We're getting chips and chips? Yes, chips. Yes. Doritos. And Charlotte's looking for a hat right now. But that's pretty sexy. I reckon. Because you're just like the captain.
Okay. That's what I was looking at.
Oh, that's
I really
cute.
like 3 by the 3.
And then
Sounds okay.
Uncle Toby's and
I reckon that one is the best one. I'm looking at these ones as well. I reckon
This one's okay as well.
I like that.
that one, yeah, that's cute.
How much is it? $30. Okay. Okay.
Show the hat, show the hat.
It's quite hot. Very attractive.
That's pretty, that's cool.
Oh, like the lobster?
Oh no, like that one with like the open
I actually
hat.
like the lobster. Yeah, no, like I know it sounded like I said you're joking. I wasn't. I was saying it was
I
lobster.
really like it.
Ooh.
Like it?
Wait, I like.
Okay, we're good.
Let's go, gang.
I miss you really badly now, right? I think the last 3 days of
You've been lacking. Much there.
Yes,
I love oat milk.
Okay, I really need to sit, guys, so can we hurry up?
Second time.
Are you still filming?
Okay, we're cooking dinner. So we have steak and sausages, the barbecue heating up, and Charlotte's, and Eloise are all gonna cook dinner.
I just wanna dance, pretty little Galway girl.
Okay guys, what are we cooking today? We're cooking steak and to do way better than last night. Because who's cooking it? Because we are. Yeah. So what did you cook just before? I cooked some sausages. Yep. And rate them on a scale of 1 to 10. How good do you think they're going to be? A billion out of 10? Yep. Pretty much. And how good is your steak going to be? I don't think that the scale quite fits how good they're going to be. Oh yeah. Wow. High rating. Have you cooked today? Mr. Morgan kind of took over, so I'm yeah, no, he took over for me too. Right, Mr. Morgan.
Hey.
How do you think these are going to taste?
Oh, these delicious, beautiful rump steak from Scarfo. It's only the best you can get, so
Oh, right.
it'll be lovely.
So rate them on a scale of 1 to 10 of how good do you think they
1
can
to
be?
10, I reckon these are about a 9.
Oh.
So,
What's the
pretty
height minus 1.4?
Yeah.
well, because I mean, we could go a lot more expensive and get some ribeye steak or something like that.
Oh, but we're not worth it, sir?
But you're worth it.
Oh, we're not worth it. Oh.
Try halloumi. Charlotte says that halloumi is the best cheese after feta.
Yeah. I love feta. I wish there was some feta right now. Like, put it on.
I don't want any of that.
Texture's kind of weird. Yeah, it's like squeaky, but
Like it better?
And it goes on and on and on.
I just had a little nap and apparently I was snoring. But anyway. Going on a little hike to this secret beach. We're going for a swim. We literally, I feel like we're lost. And it literally feels like we're going to the woods. We've been walking for so long, hey? We're following Aaron because we trust that he knows the way.
But what if we're like that one group of kids says something?
Right, we just came back from a swim. Oh,
we weren't naked this time.
Yeah, fortunately. Now we're just heading back. It's about 3k. 3k walk. So pumped for this. Can you hear the music?
Hashtag party life.
Hashtag party life.
Blackout drunk.
Hashtag clubbing. Hashtag clubbing.
Hashtag 21 plus.
About to get litty.
Thanks, Riley. Should I start up? Oh, thank you.
It's just green tea. Oh, not according to him.
We just came back from planning. We went into like the student council and house groups, and we were like, Charlotte and I were putting our hands up for like stuff that we want to do. I just put my hand up for like making posters and editing because I actually love editing.
Just for a while.
You could just ask to do posters as well.
But I'm not good at that.
That's not true. You can do posters, and it's in a group anyways. And now we're getting ready for the amazing race. Hey guys, so I haven't vlogged for a while, but that's because our phones got taken away for the amazing race.
Yeah.
I don't know. We don't know who won, but I don't think my team won.
We neither. I reckon we came second or third.
But then we had lunch, and now we're at Boost getting. I got Berry Crush, and Charlotte got Mango Magic.
Oh, I got Frosty doing that.
Guys, we made friends with these girls from Santa Maria. Wait. Summer?
Yeah.
Georgia.
Alicia.
Alicia. We're cooking our dinner. Charlotte and I did the garlic bread. We're making spaghetti bolognese. And we have brownies in the oven. The other oven. I don't know who that is, but she's... Yeah, I don't know who that is. She's kind of like disgusting.
Not all the way, but there's like this much water. I know! I need a time.
No, you're kidding. Go to your door.
The food is ready.
Oh, this is unacceptable behaviour.
That's our opposition. Look at theirs. It's not look as good as ours.
Our brownies are amazing.
We'll see.
Standalone points of 19 points. Almost. The full category.
Yeah. Imagine it's not you.
Still good.
Silent, everything's by design.
Got iced coffees. Back home. Rate the boat ride back. 8. I was gonna say 8 as well.
Yeah, I was gonna say 8 too.
Nana forgot. Well, she misread the time, so she's not coming to pick us up. So Eloise is taking us to Murdoch Station. Yeah.